Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to my subscribers as always. So this is the final part almost of my new build. So these are going to be, I've bought 6 of these boxes, Chroma X, Noctua AF-A12x25 PWM, 120 millimeters, fans and extension cables. I think I might have needed them, maybe I might not need them, we'll see. So these are super silent, full-on black version of the fans. I'm got 6 of them for my case. So let's have a look and feel of how do they look and how do they feel. So I'm just going to remove this. Okay. I threw all of the rubber edges that come for it. Chroma X. Build. It definitely feels very sturdy and nice. I'm not hearing anything right now. Obviously, I'm not going to be rotating these very fast, but these are supposed to have some very nice bearings in terms of the rotation mechanism and the overall build quality. The rubber edges here are to, of course, dampen the vibrations that the fan will make when they are rotating. So this is a nice touch. They come with 4 gray ones, and then you have different colored ones. This is a nice rubbery feel. So I'm hoping that in the box there will be more, and there will be like 3 of each color here. So I'm going on for a full black build. So although these grays will look okay in my case, I still want them to be black. So I'm hoping that there will be also more here, and there are. So this is great. This is great. So let's have a look at what's in the box. So they're the remaining colors. So there was 1 outside in the box and the rest are here. So do I have 3 blacks? Let's have a look. Yes, I do have the 3 blacks. So this is great right there. So this is perfect. And then you have your screws also to fixing them onto your case. So yeah, the set is very complete here. Good for that. Let's see how the installation works. So very easy to remove, like so. And then you've got two holes here, and then 2 long pins, as you can see, like so. I'll use another color because it might be easier, because black on black is not going to be easy to see. There you go. So you got your 2 little pointy pins here that you're going to put right in here. Yeah, it's very straightforward, and voila. Really nice build. This is, yeah, and the fan is awesome quality. So it comes with 1 extension cable here to go directly to your motherboard fan, or extension cables. So this is not, I think that it would have been nice to have maybe a bit more length here. I think that this is just a bit too short, but it's good that they have added this very long cable. So I guess it's not that bad. It's actually all right. If this wasn't there, I think this length, of course, would have been very problematic. Now, I've gotten this just in case, because I'm planning on putting 3 fans at the bottom, and I'm hoping that, because these are PWM, and the way you know these are PWM is because there are 4 pins right here. There are 4 pins. The direct, the DC fans, they have 3 pins. So that's how you know. I'm hoping this is the focus is working well here. So 4 pins, PWM, and I've got this extension cable normally. So I'm planning on daisy chaining. These 3 fans together, three of them, and then putting them in one of the controllers of the motherboard here. So Will this, yeah, so it won't be exactly daisy chained with this model that I've taken. So you won't be plugging like this going into an extender and then on with the two others. What this is going to be working, the way this is going to be working is that I'm going to put this directly into the motherboard right here on a CPU fan pin. Sorry, not the CPU fan pin, but the one of the fan controlling pins on the motherboard. And then I'm just going to hook up, and because there's enough length here on this cable, so this is going to work out really fine, and I'm just going to put on 3 of them, and that way I'll just use one header on my motherboard to control the 3. So you've got the daisy chaining adapters that exist, or you have just this 3 head splitter. And because this I'm going to be using for this one the bottom pin on the motherboard, and these 3 are going to be at the bottom of the case. So normally this length and the length of this cable, this should all work fine. I have no worries there. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. For those of you thinking about getting these are the Chroma X Noctua NF-A12x25 PWM. Quality is really, really good, and I'm really looking forward to this whole blackout build and the silent working of my case. I hope this was helpful. I will catch you in the next one. Take care, stay safe.